Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to send one-time view pictures on Snapchat. It's very simple and easy. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. So first of all, open the Snapchat camera, then take a picture to send. After taking the picture, you will see this clock icon in the bottom right hand side. So tap on it. Here you have to select the time, that for how long you want the other person to see this picture. You can select up to 10 seconds, or you can also select this no limit. But for one time view you have to select the minimum time, so I will select 5 seconds. Now the other person cannot see this picture for more than 5 seconds. Simply go back and here you can see 5 on the clock. It means time selected. Now simply send this picture by tapping on send to in the bottom right corner. Then select the person and send it. So this is how you can send one-time view pictures on Snapchat.